Anywhere specific? Thank you.
Can we grab a picture?
Let's do it. I enjoyed the show.
Hey, you know when you just want to dream big, you can't let nobody hold you down, man. Don't let nobody stop you from what you
just woke up.
I'm keeping it book.
Don't get everything on tape.
For me? Oh yeah, I be vlogging, man. This, when you get old, you know what I'm saying? 50 years old, sit back and watch me vlog.
Hey man, I'm just vlogging over here.
He said that's what the fans say.
Drip or drip out your scene, it's a trip scene. Illegals hopping over borders, that's a crime scene. Oh, we on the coast, this the Trump train. Americans with the knowledge all fast, man. No steam out they top, she a lumberjack. Oops, I mean, sir, so let me double back. Check the charts, hold them up, I wanna see the stats. Trump got a lot of voters and they looking black. Bryson. I should've known you were gonna wear that hat. I should've known it, Bryson. But you black. And they saying you that mega.
What's going on?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
How
you
you
doing?
doing? How you doing, brother? What up, man? What's going on?
Good, man. Just setting up, preparing. We got the guys over here practicing.
I love horses. I've never rode one.
You got to, man.
They're so giant and awesome. How y'all doing? Hey. Nah.
Well, but back in the valley though. North of Mesa, or it's still connected Mesa northeast Mesa, got Saguaro Lake. You'll have wild horses.
Yeah, that's like what, about an hour-ish from Phoenix.
No, from Tempe it's like not even like 20 minutes. Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. You live down that way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna be here all week, so
yeah.
I definitely want to try to get some video footage for my White Texas song.
Yeah, dude, we'll connect there because Tempe's. I'm in downtown Mesa too. It's right there by Tempe.
Okay.
So when you're saying that you're with your brother. Yeah.
No, it's just me and my two cousins. My brother couldn't make it.
Okay. But is that what you're gonna stay with?
Yeah, I'm staying at my brother's house.
Okay.
He out of town, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But at least he gave us the place, so it's like a free Airbnb.
Do you have a car to get around?
A car? Yeah, we got a rental.
Oh, okay.
It's not too bad.
Let me know, man. We're there in the valley. So.
All right, man. Let's see what these guys talking about here.
Get it, man. Hey, it's actually sicker than last year.
Yeah, I heard it was, man.
Yeah, right.
We're gonna see y'all. We're here doing the. Oh, you think so?
almost like
In space.
Hey!
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
About
time. Good.
Right.
I just
It was a struggle, but we're here.
I'm waiting for
I'm
Black
vlogging.
Sheep's kid to come back, dig this hole for the horses so they can ride around.
Okay. So what we got here? A top stage and a bottom stage? Or is it like a band gonna be here?
Yeah, this is all your speakers. You guys are all back here.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna head back there.
This is for the skidster stunt
Stunt truck.
ride, yeah.
And the crowd is on this side, right?
Yeah.
Bye. We can have Daniela start doing crazy music. Okay, so but she needs to do.
Is that tight? Woo! What's going on, bro?
How you doing?
How you doing?
How's life?
I'm surviving, man. I saw you on the lineup. I was like, my man.
Yeah, I had to.
I was like, he the A to Z plug out there. He gotta be out here, man.
Got to.
That's what's up, man.
Show everybody. Blood clots.
Good to see you though, dog.
Yeah, man. All right.
Check. Crowd checks. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Think I'ma line up to get that? Crazy. Okay. I ain't getting on the bandwagon. I can't pray. I'ma go against it. Get about the way. Get about my lane. Y'all about to pay. I got the answer. I ain't no sway. I ain't gonna give me money for the poker. You can give it to the people that are joking. You know the ones that drink coke and blow with no shame and claim they so woke. Doing the most with the lotto. Taking advantage of people that hollow. Take the facts and mask up as a motto. I don't really tomorrow. Y'all don't wanna follow? They need to leave it alone. Donald Trump at the front of the pack. You dangle a million in front of these people, they keep it the facts. Echo. Stand down.
Stand down.
That stimmy got you looking for a handout. Well, I look like Hunter Biden with my pants down. Y'all ain't got no leverage, yeah, I said I'm a pass now. I'm a pass on the vaccine, I'm a pass now. I'm a pass with my dad, yeah, I'm a pass.
We out here, man.
Making them sick.
Oh, man. Hey, Arizona, it's about to go down.
About to go down.
That's right.
What's going on? How you doing? Kelvin J.
It's the first time meeting. I only know Bryson and Forgy out on blog.
Yeah, those are the big dogs.
If you ever want to come on, because you're a MAGA rapper, you want to do like an interview about pro-Trump stuff.
Okay, yeah.
We'll probably set up and do a little
This is a YouTube
podcast
channel?
here after the sound check.
Okay, yeah,
I'm
sweet.
big on Telegram mostly though.
Sweet,
That's all
definitely.
good, bro.
Well, after
Have you guys know Walt Blackman?
Yeah.
Ready for Congress?
I don't know him personally, but I've met him.
Let's get you guys an interview with him.
Yeah, they shut down my YouTube channel after the Million MAGA March.
Oh yeah, that stuff's so silly.
They didn't like it.
Censoring everybody for nothing, for supporting the country. Like, it's ridiculous.
Right here.
They shutting us down and blocking us for supporting the country. You can't make this stuff up.
Kel,
Yes.
this Daisy,
How you
MAGA
doing?
Hulk.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
This Carmen from
MAGA who?
MAGA Hulk's girl.
Oh, MAGA Hulk's girl. Nice to meet you. I haven't even met MAGA Hulk yet. How you doing?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you,
MAGA
Lexit.
Black Widow.
Oh no, that's the other. I'm thinking of what? Nexit with the feather.
Yeah,
That's Nexit, right?
That's
How you doing?
Mercedes.
Nice to formally meet you. You were driving.
Yeah.
Cherokee Indian also.
Yeah, everyone's Cherokee Indian.
Cherokee Indian.
She's like 1,024.
Except for Elizabeth Warren.
Cherokee, bro.
She has those high cheekbones.
Yeah. Look at the horses is getting it in for the show. I want to ride a horse so bad.
Why?
I'm telling you, before I leave Arizona this week, I gotta ride a horse.
A beautiful lady, MAGA Hulk.
It must be done.
I'm just gonna be like,
All right, y'all, sound check is over. We heading back to Airbnb. Where Tyson at? I hope so. Yeah, let's just go. I don't know what's going on. Where Tyson?
What's up? Hey, Ryan King here. We're at the second annual Save America event, and we're stoked, excited. Come on down, it's gonna be a blast. Amazing rappers like Kelvin here, Tyson behind us here, and our good friend here might rap also, right? No, I'm not getting on stage. Maybe next time, maybe next year.
Wish us luck. Wish us luck.
Yeah, God bless America.
Awesome. How you doing?
Good to see you, bro.
Yeah, man. I'm just, I've been hanging around for a bit.
Yeah.
So I go back to the room and prep up.
Okay. Yeah, you guys gonna get energized before the show?
All right, gotta get some. I might even take a nap.
Yeah, okay.
I only got like an hour or two of sleep.
Okay, I gotta go
Good,
get
bro?
some sleep right now, bro. You guys get in yesterday?
Yo, late.
Oh, bro, good to see you.
How you doing?
Sorry, I don't mean to be bothering you. Are you live streaming right now?
I'm just vlogging.
Okay, cool. I'm here to collect signatures for Nick Myers, our Corporation Commissioner's Office.
Okay.
Are you guys willing to sign a signature on it, get him on the ballots?
I would, but I have no clue about it. So, I can't.
Got it. Yeah, the
informed on it.
Corporation Commissioner's Office is in charge of our energy stuff, utilities, and a few other
Okay.
things. So.
Yeah, I don't even live out here. So.
Oh, you don't even live out? Where you from?
I'm coming in from DC. I'm originally from Detroit. But I'm visiting from DC.
Oh, man. You know what? I moved back to Detroit in a while now because they have the best Rubens I've ever had in my entire life.
Okay.
Just outside of
Out in
downtown.
the Coney Island, or?
No, just outside of downtown, from like downtown Detroit.
Okay.
Little sketch, but,
Yeah. Oh, it's sketchy.
But it was worth it.
Right.
It was worth it. I've never been to DC before. I'll love either one of these days.
Yeah, DC's pretty nice. A lot of opportunity.
Yeah, absolutely.
I remember last year you were talking about moving to Tempe possibly, right?
Yeah, God hasn't let me here yet, but it's still, you never know. I don't know where I'm going to end up. I've been in DC for about a decade now. So.
You know, Arizona's becoming that hub for conservative values, man.
Right. I love the values. I love the energy. I love the gun laws. It's definitely a home. My brother lives down here in Tempe.
That's right.
So I love the energy here for sure, but
It's a great place.
Yeah,
let's see. Right now I'm just getting my money together and trying to save up my money. I'm broke.
What do you do?
Balling on a budget. What'd you say?
What do you do for a living?
I'm an entrepreneur full time, so I do video production, photography, I do my music. I just kind of live off of my talent pretty much.
Yeah.
So money's up and down. Just to continue growing, continue my music growing, continue to reach people. It's nothing better than hearing people get moved by your music. Like I've had people hit me up, talking about how some of my songs brought them to tears. You know, and it's, I mean, you can't get any better than that. You're
Music is
reaching
a
people
language, so
in
yeah.
godly ways, you know. So
Yeah.
I'm just blessed and thankful for the people who enjoy it. You know?
Absolutely, absolutely. I do appreciate you being here. You know, that's fantastic. You don't know what you're doing. You know, you seem like you know what you understand what needs to be done.
Thank you.
So, you know what? You sound like you're on the right track.
Thanks, man.
All right.
I appreciate it. Be safe.
Good to see you, man.
All right, man.
I'm excited for the show. Oh yeah.
All right.
We're gonna be at this booth. We're at the Dream Center booth over there.
Okay. You all right? You're kind of down, man. Good, man. What's up? Oh, yeah. How you been, bro? In the zone. How you been? I'm alive, man. I'm here. What's going on? What's up, man? What we got? What we dapping up? We hugging? What we doing? There we go. Anywhere specific? Thank you.
Can we grab a picture?
Let's do it. I'll enjoy the show. We out here, man. We just left sound check, y'all, but we looking for some food real quick. Trying to grab something decent and then head back to the Airbnb. Trying to get some music video shots.
Especially with Kel, you gotta eat something that's gonna make him feel less groggy. That's it.
Yeah.
You act like Kelvin gonna be the only nigga on stage. You got to get on there too.
I know, so we should all be eating the same.
Right, we all should be eating straight. Do something decent.
Gonna be on there for a while.
Yeah, but he's gonna be the longest. That's what I'm saying. He's the most
13 songs,
you only
man.
doing 2 songs, I'm doing 1.
13 songs, yo. I'm
Your
tired.
Arby's?
Subway.
I like Arby's.
Arby's not bad, but Subway's
Oh,
definitely
Subway.
better. That's a healthy, a little decent sandwich.
Damn, shit. We was trying to get some shit. I was fucking.
I mean, we can stop at both. We can stop at
Right, they
Subway
right
and
next to
then
each other.
we
What
can
you
stop
still
at
sitting
Arby's.
here for? Go,
Are you wildin'? Oh my god.
nigga. I'm like, why'd you just sitting here?
Do I need to be driving? No, that's
No, that's what they
the
was
lady.
promoting there.
Yeah, she gave me a free thing. She said whenever I'm in town,
Yeah,
come through.
You can get a free
And y'all check out Legacy Barbershop in Snowflake, Taylor, Arizona. Legacy Barbershop.
Are you
y'all.
live?
I'm vlogging. You don't like Subway? You don't be making your subs right. That's probably what that is. He ain't making his sub right.
Yeah, he ain't.
When you master your sub,
That's all you gonna want to eat.
right,
Type of shit.
it'd be tasting on point when you get it.
Not saying
So we in a sub. I'll get us some so we gonna do. You getting a 6-inch or a full?
Definitely full.
Full.
I eat 6 inch now, I'll eat 6 inch later.
What time is it? What time you got?
Probably
What time
eat 6
you
inch
got?
now.
Anybody got a
yeah,
time?
eat after 4.
It's 12:30. How you doing today? I'm blessed. I pray the same for you. Let's go ahead and get.
Can we get drinks?
Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and get I'll take a 6-inch Italian herbs and cheese bread. Italian BMT sub. Can we do American? What'd you say? Yes, please. Yeah.
a full sub of Italian herbs and cheese. The meat will be teriyaki chicken. The cheese will be provolone. What happened?
I'm broke by the end of this trip.
Dang, on Monday that rate is $4 for a cigarette. Oh, you running low. Where's the teriyaki? Why it look so dry? You put sauce on it afterwards?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is the only Subway I've ever seen that. Normally it's already like mixed together.
Lettuce, please. And do you have yellow peppers? Oh, yeah, some yellow peppers. A little bit of spinach. And some ranch. Chipotle Southwest. Some mayonnaise. and some salt and pepper.
You said,
And that would be
what you gonna do to it?
Thank you. And that is how you make a delicious sub.
Yeah, we on the block with it, don't know what you talking about. Got you leaking hard, about to be a drought. Red hat with the mega, check my mental health. Yeah, I'm doing fine, I stacked it on the shelf. I'm in the lack with the beam on them. 2A never slipping, make it steam on them. Leotards always tripping, gotta lean on them.